Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix copper pipe leaks. First, you need to quickly identify the exact location and severity of the leak. This initial assessment is crucial for determining the best repair method. Once located, immediately turn off your home's main water supply to prevent further damage. Then, gather all your essential tools, such as pipe cutters, sandpaper, and a repair clamp, to prepare for the fix. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient repair process. For a quick temporary fix, you can use a pipe repair clamp or epoxy putty. These methods are excellent for small pinhole leaks and can hold until a more permanent solution is possible. Another option involves wrapping the leak with rubber and securing it with hose clamps, providing a tight seal. While these temporary solutions offer immediate relief, remember they are not meant to be long-term. Always plan for a permanent repair as soon as you can. For a permanent repair, you will typically need to cut out the damaged section of the copper pipe. Ensure the cut edges are clean and smooth for a good seal. One common method is soldering a new piece of copper pipe into the gap, which requires a torch and soldering flux. Alternatively, for a simpler, solder-free approach, you can use push-fit connectors. These connectors are easy to install and create a secure, lasting bond without heat. After completing your repair, slowly turn the main water supply back on and carefully check for any new leaks around the repaired area. It is important to monitor this for a few minutes to ensure the fix is solid. To prevent future issues, consider insulating your pipes, especially in colder climates, to avoid freezing and bursting. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your home, check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and more. Regular maintenance helps extend the life of your plumbing system.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.